Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as an uptrend. I think that we're already going up for a wave C of wave Y. I think this is more than likely over here a wave A. I think this is a wave B, and I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which a wave Y should be an ABC. Most likely, it should go up and take out the high of the wave W and probably the high of the previous wave 4. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely think this looks like an uptrend. I think this is more likely than not a wave 1 of wave C. ABC correction. I think this is more than likely a wave 2, and I also think this is very likely to go up on this weekly time frame, making higher highs, higher lows in a big giant wave 3 of wave C. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to see five waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely a little overlapping. Definitely not the best Elliott wave count, but I'm not really too concerned with so-called Elliott wave rules. I think this is more than likely a wave 1. I think this is more than likely an ABC of 2. We have CPI news coming out tomorrow, which I actually think is likely to cause the end of a wave 2 and probably a continuation of the uptrend for the wave 3. So keeping it in mind, all that in mind, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think it's pretty clear that this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2. I think more likely than not we're in a wave 4, which I think is going to create a very overlapping corrective pattern. Then I think we're going to go down and make a wave 5, which the wave 5 could even push down lower to like the 50%. I think tomorrow's news is going to cause a reversal. Probably the interest rate news will cause a reversal, probably the end of a trend, and most likely the continuation of the uptrend. Probably a wave 1, probably a wave 2, and probably back up for a wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. I definitely am looking at this move up more than likely as a wave 4. We're not even made it to the 38% yet, so I think more than likely this is going to create a very overlapping corrective pattern, probably some sort of a ABC pattern or a WXY or some sort of a flat for a wave 4. Then probably down again for a wave 5, most likely at the CPI news tomorrow. Then at the interest rate news that comes out several hours after the CPI news, I think it's more likely to reverse, break structure, and end up continuing the uptrend from there. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program if you'd like to get access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.